Well, when I tell people what I do, I say that I look at tuberculosis and I also look at skin allergy. And I guess a lot of people wonder what links them. Why would you study both? And what I do is I look at immune cells, and I look at specific immune cells that recognize fats and oils. And if you think about it, we have fats and oils, and there are lots of fats and oils in lots of different things. But I'm particularly interested in the fats that are on the outside of the tuberculosis bacteria. So it's the top infectious killer worldwide, but we don't have a good enough vaccine to actually fight it. And so I'm trying to think about how can we improve our immune response? How can we improve the vaccine so that we can actually fight it off? And so I started having a look at these immune cells that can fight fats, because I wondered if we can target the fats that are on the outside of the bacteria, can we sort of generate a good immune army or an immune cell army to really fight off this disease? And then during my PhD, I had an allergic reaction to sunscreen, and a normal person would have never used that sunscreen again. But as an immunologist, I wanted to know what was going on. And so doing some detective work, I found that there was one ingredient in that sunscreen that had the right kind of shape to activate the very immune cells that I work on. It's an oil. So it's recognized by those immune cells that recognize fats and oils. And just coincidentally, I got that oil, I put it in an experiment with my immune cells, and they became activated and they were fighting it. So now I look at allergy, and I look at different oils in skincare products, sunscreens, and in medicines, and figure out how is our immune system attacking them and how can we stop them from attacking. No day is the same, which is what I love. It means that it can't get boring. I might be doing experiments one day, and those experiments can be very, very different in terms of what I do in the lab. And then some days I might be at a computer listening to music while doing some data analysis.